Hi, library friends. This is Miss Amy. Miss Jamie has left some great Crafternoon ideas, even though she can't be here right now. We're hoping she'll be back in a week or two, but I am happy to share the first of a few autumn crafts with you. So today, we're going to be making a great autumn wreath. So let's get started. While you've been outside, you've probably been noticing that the leaves are just starting to change colors. Make sure you take some walks so you can see all the pretty colors. And what you're going to get this week in our kit is a paper plate wreath and a bag with all sorts of fun things to add to your wreath. It's going to be full of different colors of tissue paper and some cute little stickers of some autumn leaves. And when you look closely at them, you'll see that they're very sparkly. Of course, if you have some other little things around, buttons or sequins or glitter, you can even add more to it. All you're going to need for this craft is a glue stick. So it's very simple. You're going to take your paper plate, and I like to put the glue right on the plate. If you put it on the tissue paper, it kind of crinkles it up. So I use a little section at a time and add my glue. And then I just take my tissue, crumple it up a little. You can crumple it up very tightly, but you might run out of it, so leave a little loose and stick it right in the glue. You can choose which color you want to put next. I also noticed that sometimes they weren't covering the plate really well, so I put some lower and then some out near the edge. Sometimes I just make the tissue paper. I think I'll use green next. Go right up and down to fill the whole section. I did part of it ahead of time, but as you can see, it doesn't take long to fill our paper plates up with beautiful fall colors. And if you're using a glue stick, you can go right into the next step. I see a couple spots I'm going to put a little extra glue on. But the next step is to add your beautiful leaves. So on these, I will put the glue on the back of the foam piece, and that will make it stick better. So I'm going to try, but you can do it any way you'd like. I'm going to try not to put my leaves on the same color as the tissue paper. I really want them to show up and stand out. So I'm putting a green leaf on top of the orange. I'm going to put a yellow leaf on top of the brown and green over here. And you can design this and decorate it any way you want. Now my glue stick's purple, but when it dries, that will dry clear. So I don't have to worry if I get a little bit on something else. You can see I'm getting a little bit on my hands, but that's not a worry. And got a couple more to add. Like I said, if you have anything else at home you'd like to stick on, or if your mom or grandma or grandpa or dad or whoever's with you during the day has something else that they'd like you to add to your wreath, you can do that. Then once it's all done, see where I need one more. I did a pretty good job. I'll have that one be right here. When you're all done, you can find a place in your house to hang your autumn leaf. Isn't that beautiful? And that should last you clear through November to decorate your house. Or you could give it to someone you love to decorate their house. So that's our Crafternoon today, and Mr. Austin's going to put the kits together and have them. They'll be upstairs for you today to pick up here at Patterson Library. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you next week.